Have you signed up for the drawing for the items that I'm going to be giving away? This one is our November the 10th drawing here. And let me tell you, I can't remember the size of it exactly. So it's about 5 3/4 by 8. And this is the back. This is the front. I'll be giving this away. It is an international giveaway, so everyone is eligible to enter. Check the requirements on the post community or post tab of my channel, and it tells you how to enter. It's very simple. You just send me an email with a couple of necessary items, like your name and mailing address, and that way I can put you in the drawing, and if you win, I will be mailing this to you. Now, I will be doing this off and on, and I will be posting once we do the 10th drawing. Then I will make another post and tell you when the next drawing is and show you what we're going to be giving away. So make sure you keep up to date on the community post tab and see what's going on there. And if you see an item that you would like to win, we'll make sure that you get entered, okay? Now, another thing I wanted to show you was something you might consider making out of some scraps. You know, sometimes we just need a little giveaway. Maybe we're doing a little get-together or something, and we want to have a little takeaway or giveaway. Or maybe we need a little item just to stuff into a gift package to fill it out a little bit more. These little tiny fabric books are so good for that. They are, let me see, they are 3 by 4.5. So that means you need a piece of fabric, 6 inches by 4.5, or approximately whatever you want to do there. And you can just see that this is just some scraps put together. It is sewn onto a piece of batting, and there are 2 signatures with little coffee dyed, tea dyed paper, okay? Just a tiny little book. Isn't that cute? Make them in all kinds of varieties. They're all the same on the inside. It's just how you decorate the outside. Got some little motifs that you want to use. Now's the time to do it. Got little pieces of fabric. Isn't that cute? Just leave it rustic. Leave your batting inside, showing. Okay. Got a little bit of patchwork you haven't used yet. Here's one's just a little smaller. So like I said, you can make them any size you want. Now, the reason I'm showing this is that one of these is going in with the, let's see, how many do I have right now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I will be giving one of these away with each giveaway that I'm doing until they run out. And I may make more. So this first giveaway is going to get an extra bonus. It's going to get this little cat with it. All right. So don't forget to enter. And don't forget to make some of your own for whatever little situation you might have where you may want to give them away. Again, I keep some of these in my little giveaway box on my coffee table. People come over, they always leave with something that I've handmade. And these people can tuck these just anywhere. They can use them. So don't forget to do that, all right? Until next time, let's stay scrap happy.